guys, so we just finished doing my makeup, some earrings, another chain, and we're gonna be out the door because I literally only have a few minutes and it's 21 minutes away. My hairstylist actually moved to the city. Super excited about that. She's in a new location. Oh, I can't wait to get this hair done. E6 toward Manhattan. In 0. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Is Danny here? Yeah. Just okay.
Thank you. Happy holidays.
Hey you guys, what's up? I just want to show you the finished hair. This is the hair. So today, I'm not gonna lie, I did add a couple more clip-ins to make it a little longer, because I don't know, like, this is my first sew-in and I wanted it to look very natural. I didn't want super full hair, I didn't want it super long, but it's giving too natural. When I got home, I put the overnight blowouts and it gave me a lot of va va voom, but it was still natural. I think next time when I get my hair done, I'm just gonna get 4 more bundles. And the hair that I got, y'all, it was not thick. Like, she pretty much put every single bundle in my hair, but for some reason, like, it just still felt thin. Like, this is the fullness that I actually want when it comes to my hair. And sorry that it's been like days later. It's been a crazy ass busy ass week. Like, I gotta go right now and I'm so over it. But yes, that is the end of the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a beautiful positive comment down below and I'll see you guys soon.